Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to extend the contacts module in the Odoo. Basically, we are trying to learn in this video that is Odoo module inheritance step by step. So what we will do is we are going to do add custom field to the Odoo's built-in contacts model. Fields we will add nickname, date of birth, blood group or is VIP. Show these details in the contact form view. Okay, so concept basically it's what is inheritance in Odoo. Instead of creating a new model from the scratch, Odoo lets you extend an existing model and add your own fields to it. So there are two types used here: underscore inherit, extend the existing model, add fields to it. Another one that is underscore add inherit on views, extend the existing view, add fields to the form. Okay, so you don't need to write the whole model or the view, you only add what you need. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, in the last video we have already created the custom module, right? So now we are going to make the custom contacts. Okay, so here you can see that first of all let's begin the structure. Okay, so custom, create customs module, and here we go with our VS code. So models, security, views. Okay, then we have Odoo. We have made this custom modules. Okay, my first module. So let's go with our Odoo. Okay, my first module. Right, so in the last we have already custom modules, my first module, but in the here I'm going to create a new folder named custom contacts custom. Let's create this new folder with custom contacts custom. We have to create this init.py. Okay, here new file. Okay, then we have to do with manifest.py. Next we have to create the models folder. Okay, so here in this we are going to new folder that is models. In models then we have to go with create init.py. Okay, and then here we have to go with res partner. So in the models we have to create the new file. Okay, then we have to go with the views folder. For the view, new folder, and then this is our next file that we have to create. Okay, so the folder structure we have seen. Right now the code level we have to do. Okay, okay, so done with this one. Now in the custom init.py, so we have to add import from models. Okay, so custom init.py we have to add this one. Okay, so here in the custom we have init, so let's add this models, then manifest file we have to add this module that we are extending. Okay, so here manifest part, right, add fee it add custom fields to the contacts. Okay, you can put your name over there, right? So I can put my name. Okay, done. Note depends, here we have added the depends, right? So the contacts, because we are extending the contacts. Okay, so make sure this one depends. Okay, so the next ones, create the models folder which we have already done, and then file we have init.py, so we have to add the this partner. Okay, so in the models we have init.py, so let's import it. Okay, Then create the model file. So here we have already created this file. Let's check. Yes, now we have to extend this one. Okay, so the from Odoo fields that we have to add. Okay, so let's add this code base, right? So we have added the inherit. So here you can see that inherit res.partner means extending. We're extending the existing contacts model. We do not use underscore name here. Okay, Odoo will add your fields to the existing res partner table. Okay, so basically it's a table res, so on the behalf of it we are using. Okay, so here you can see that inherit res.partner existing model nickname, and this we are adding into that one. Okay, save this. Moving to the next, that create the views folder we have already created and the respective file. Now put this code over there. Okay, so just copy this, and in the views let's add this. So here you can see that we are showing the nickname, date of birth, blood group, and the is VIP. Okay, so add fields after the phone field. So here you can see that inherit underscore ID reference base dot view dot partner form means we are extending the existing contact form view, not replacing it. Position after. So here we have mentioned but which position. Okay, so means our fields appear after the phone field, right? So add your fields after the phone field. Here you can position after. Okay, phone. Okay, note no security IR model access. Yes, we need it here because we are extended an existing model, not creating a new one. Then we have to restart the Odoo and install. Okay, so let's go to the terminal. Okay, restart, then go to the browser, copy. So I'm gonna paste this over here. Okay, login. Okay, let's go to the main apps, right? So contacts, I think we haven't activated the last. Let's see whether the contacts, this con. So let's activate this module. Okay, so go to the settings, general, activate the developer mode, and then custom contacts install. Okay, search for the custom contacts, update the app list. So because main we haven't installed, so please, I think we should install it. I think now it is done. Okay, I don't know what's contacts. Okay, so it is activated. Now go to the settings. Okay, now we have to check our debug mode. Why we here activate the developer mode. Okay, let's go to the save. Now we have to go with our apps and update app list. Okay, so go to the apps and custom underscore, I think which the name, custom contacts we have to search. Okay, it says the module not fine. Why? um Contacts. which is the main one. Let me check why. Maybe some of the, you can say, data we have missing. So verify. Let me verify it, why it's not showing over there. Maybe some field issue or something. Is there any issue? No. Let me check the logs and everything. Give me 1 minute. I'll just check this one. So there is only one issue because we are searching in the apps. If I just remove it and just add the custom contacts, so here you can see that it's independent. So basically we are just adding the fields. So just activate this because we are searching in the applications, right? So let's go and just check contacts module. So let me just check what's going on. So custom install, verify, go to the contacts module, open an existing contact or create a new one. You should see the new fields below the phone field. I am unable to see it. Give me 1 minute. So we are on the same platform or what? Custom contacts. Email, phone, city. Mm, Let me check what exactly happening. Is it the correct one? Give me 1 minute. So basically, in the Odoo 19, I need to check why it's not coming after the phone, the position works or not. But currently, I have just moved it to the new tab with the custom information. So here you can see that I have added such this kind of information here. So if I just create rajnikant@gmail.com, new contact, phone number, anything, street, 1111, zip. Okay, so here custom info, nickname, date of birth, anything. Okay, so we have only the list. So let's add this one. Is we happy customer, true or false? Checkbox. Okay, then I think we have done. Missing fields. Which are the missing fields? So here we have added a send message. Okay, contacts created. If you go to the contacts, here you can see that. And if I go to the custom info, so it's all there. Done. So if anybody asks you to, like, I want to extend the contacts and I need to add some of the fields, this tutorial would be the best for you. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.